Hello.
Hello.
Welcome back.
Welcome back.
As promised.
Yep, as promised.
We're
in the Peak District. Come back to Castleton. We did say last week when we were doing that review for the tent that we were going to bring it out this week. So give it a try.
Yep,
So,
it's all set up.
So it's all set up. So I'll show you. You might have to bear with me. We've left the bracket for the microphone, so I'm actually holding it. I've literally just shut the bedroom door because there was wasps.
Can I open them?
Yes, you can. Tent's pitched. Look at this.
That video on my backside.
Look at this. Oh yes.
There we go. Our trusty blow up bed.
And the overkill Rabasent 1100, which is just going to boil me in bed tonight.
And those are our little down booties. And
So,
pillows
from home.
Why not?
Yeah, creature comforts and all that. So yes, here's the tents. I've actually got a footprint there from a Cloud Peak 2 underneath just to protect the bottom of it a little bit. But yeah, we're away.
Yeah, it's nice to be out.
Summer has landed. Well, you've seen us on this campsite before. We've been here a few times now. It's just handy. I'm surprised we even got in, to be fair, because I didn't book it till this morning. Busy.
It is very busy.
Very busy.
It's quite nice and warm.
I think this is the busiest I've known this campsite. Mam tour in the background, you can see when it's past there. It is, look at how busy it is, it's rammed, man. So yeah, we'll come back to you shortly. So yeah, just giving you a brief look around. The campsite is,
I believe it's Holmesfield Farm.
Holmesfield Farm, right in the middle of Castleton. So convenient.
Yeah, I mean, it's quite basic, but yeah, you've got your toilets over there, and your little wash area, and
Water facilities and all that sort of
bits
stuff.
Bits and bobbies. But yeah, no, it's sound.
So
Isn't it?
I'm going for a walk up when it's past now.
I'm chilling at the minute. Quite happy to be chilling. I was at work this morning.
Yeah.
I was working till
So
half 12.
I'm getting the old hiking boots on and going out for half an hour. So yes.
We should be back in a bit.
We will. Welcome back to the show. Well, I've been out walking.
I've just been standing here the whole time. No, I haven't.
Just been sitting here getting pissed.
I haven't. I've literally just opened a can. No, I haven't. I was at work this morning, so I've just been chilling at the tent.
I've just walked from Castleton up when it's past and done the when it's past circular, which was good fun. I've got some wicked videos. You'll get some good drone footage from it as well, which I'll pop on this video at some point.
So you're all hot and sweaty now, aren't you?
You like the sound of that, didn't you? Chance to be a fun thing. I should be so lucky. So yes, I'm going to be aching in the morning. I'm aching now. It was good fun though, enjoyed it. Blown off a few cobwebs, needed to. Been itching to get out for ages. We're just going to chill now. I'm going to pop a beer. I think we're going to have a walk to Castleton.
We might do in a bit, yeah. It's getting a bit, the temperature has dropped now.
And guess what? Megan forgot to bring me a jacket.
Well, I can't be responsible for everything. But anyway, the one he was going to bring was for like sub-zero temperatures, which he doesn't need, so it was overkill anyway.
I'd rather be too hot than freezing cold.
It was overkill.
So,
And if I'm moving around because I'm cold. So we'll bring you back in a bit.
yep. Hope you can see us both.
Hiya folks, we're in the tent. Got a little bit of rain, not much. Not much, we've got a little bit of rain. So yeah, we just listened to some tunes, haven't we?
Yeah, we're going to have a pot noodle.
We've only had one beer, still on the same one. Yeah, we're going to have a really exotic meal. We're going to have a pot noodle.
I've got a bad boy, so that's that.
I've got a rib, something rib, I'm not quite
barbecue
sure.
rib.
Barbecue rib maybe? Don't know.
We need to get a bigger tripod.
Yeah,
I'm literally resting the GoPro on my knee at the moment, so if you can see it jolting, it's because the little tripod we've got slipping.
So we're alright. I mean, there's not much rain, it's only a little bit, but we thought we'd come indoors for a bit. So yeah, we're going to have a pot noodle.
Yeah. But like I said in that review last week, look, the two of us are here with chairs.
Yeah, Dan's on his little chair, that's why I'm up here and he's down there.
But Megan's on a proper chair, look, and you've got a headroom. You know, the tent's alright, man. Especially for the money.
All good, all good. Yeah. So we're gonna have something to eat.
And we're gonna have a toddle into Castleton and
just have a couple.
Couple of pints.
Just a couple. Only a couple. So we probably won't record that because it normally ends badly.
The last time we came to Castleton, we didn't even bother putting the video up.
No.
We were pissed.
We were pretty hammered. It wasn't pretty.
No, so we didn't even bother putting the video up.
So we're not going to do it. To be honest, we're not going to get hammered. We're going to have a pot noodle now. Have a toddle down, have a couple of pints, come back, and we've got some hot dogs.
Morning, everybody. Didn't actually come back to you last night. We had a quiet one. Went to the pub, we only had a couple of beers. We weren't really feeling it.
We came back and had hot dogs.
Hot dogs. But
I was in bed for 12:30, wasn't I?
Yeah.
We're fast asleep according to Dan with him.
Before I'd even got into my sleeping bag. She was talking to me when I was starting to get into it. Before I zipped it up, she was gone. So,
slept well till half 6 this morning.
But with regards to the tents and stuff like that, can't really fault it, folks. We've packed down now. We've got everything out of it. So, but yeah, literally cannot fault it. It's a bit wobbly on the poles. But to be fair, when you've guided it out and stuff, it ain't actually that bad. I mean, it's not something you're going to lug up a mountain or anything like that. But yeah, but we were going to stay 2 nights. Obviously, the weather's changed a little bit now.
Yeah.
So, but we're not in any rush to get back home. So I think we're going to have a mooch around the Peak District. But we'll catch some of it for you so you can see it.
We will. We're hoping to go to
the Nag's Head for breakfast.
Breakfast or dinner.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll come back to you a little bit later. In a bit. Welcome back, folks.
Welcome back.
Well, we left the campsite, we've all packed up and gone. Went for a drive, wanted to do a bit of a recce up round by Snake Pass, Snake Woods, round that way. But the road's been closed, Snake Pass has been closed because there's wildfires.
So that wasn't successful.
How there's wildfires when the weather's raining badly all night last night, so how there's wildfires, I have absolutely no idea, but hey ho.
But we wanted to come to the Nag's Head and have some food. We've been here quite a few times, but never eaten.
So we're in the Nag's Head in Edale.
Spot eventually,
right outside the door.
Yay!
That was a challenge.
It was.
Absolute nightmare. Bank holiday weekend, getting parking in Edale, forget it. But we've pulled it off right outside the pub.
Yeah, so we're going to have a drink, have something to eat.
And do you know what? They do a cracking pint of Guinness in here.
I've just got Dortmund.
Megan likes the Dortmund, doing it.
I do. I'm only having half. Being a good girl. Don't want to be bloated for my food.
But when we do decide to order and get some food,
we'll show you the food.
Yeah, I mean, we're having a drink now. We're in no rush to go home today. I mean, there is the potential to have another night up here. It's only Sunday.
But it's a bit chilly and a bit rainy, but we'll see.
And Megan forgot to bring my coat, if you remember.
So we'll bring you back in a bit.
Yeah, man. Food's arrived.
I'm going to tuck in very quickly.
See you later.
See you later. Oh yeah.
Well, that's it.
That's it. We had our food, which was really nice. Highly recommend, wouldn't we?
Yeah, it's a bit grey, and I haven't got a jacket, so I don't really want to stay another night. I do want to stay another night, but
if the weather was better, I think we would. So yeah, so we're going to head on home. Hope you've enjoyed the video.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe
button, comment if you'd like, and we'll see you on the next one.
See you on the next one.
See ya, bye.
Take care.
Bye.